Hello everybody and welcome to a quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to move the center dot on your warp deformer when it is refusing to move and it is only allowing you to access the red dot instead of the green dot. So this is a really simple thing that I didn't realize was a part of Live2D Cubism. Basically, when you have this warp deformer, you probably have figured out at this point in time that the red box is for resizing and movement purposes, and then the green box is going to be for the deformers, right? I'm going to quickly adjust the amount of beziers on this so that we can see that center one show up. So the issue that you're probably having is when you go to move this center warp, you cannot move it because it's accessing the red box instead of the green part of the deformer. And you'll be frustrated probably because you can click on basically every other part of the deformer, right? And it functions fine except for in the center. The solution? Very simple. See this red box right here? You're just going to click that little red X and it will turn off the movement box for you, and now you can freely warp the center. This is something that I had an issue with and that I see people ask about a lot, so hopefully this is the solution to your problem and you can go about the rest of your rig. Make sure you drink some water, don't shrimp in your chair, have good posture, take care of your back, and happy rigging!